on, guys? I hope y'all had a great weekend. For those of y'all that don't know, I'm Sterling the Investor, and here on the channel we discuss multiple topics such as investing, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. And in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and do our Forex market preview for the week. And here we break down a few charts. We look at anywhere from 3 to 5 or 6 currency pairs, and I kind of let you guys inside my head and look at some opportunities that I may be looking for throughout the week. So here we'll start on the Euro US dollar. And the first thing that comes to mind, I'm on my 30-minute chart. That's the chart that I do most of my entry analysis on. And I see a Fibonacci retracement to the 38.2%. And price is starting to consolidate around here. If we pop out to the larger time frame, we can see that we are still in a downtrend. So, looking for bearish opportunities is exactly what we'll be looking for. We don't want to put a target too far out, as if you go to the daily chart, you can see price has been consolidating, for the last couple of weeks. So we don't want to set those targets too far out because we don't know exactly how far down this market is going to continue. So with that in mind, if we can start looking for an entry here, if price starts to make, lower lows and lower highs, we may be looking to get in and then possibly get out, back at the 0% on the Fibonacci retracement. So we'll be looking for short opportunities this week on the Euro US dollar. Something to be aware of, a little bit later in the week around Wednesday, December 19th, we've got major news coming out. FOMC statements come out around 2 p.m. So that's something we definitely want to keep our eyes on. And then we have unemployment claims come out the next day on Thursday, I believe. So those are two fundamental events that you want to make a mental note on. So the next pair we'll pop over to is the USD JPY, which those two news events will affect this currency pair as well, as it's the USD is included. And right now we've got uptrend. Looks like price will possibly start to make a higher high, higher low, and we're above the 500 moving average. So we're going to be looking for some long opportunities here. Let's pop out to our higher time frame, see where the overall trend is going. So overall trend is up. So if we get a strong bullish candle here on the 4-hour chart, which would be some good bullish action here. If this pushes up a little further, we may be looking for the pullback, looking for an entry point here. Not quite ready to get in, off of this candle right here, just because price could continue down and continue to make lower highs and lower lows. So I'll be looking for price to pop up and come back down, maybe hit this trend line back into this structure zone, and be looking for some long opportunities back up here into structure. So that's something to look for on the USD JPY. Again, later on in the week, be aware of unemployment claims and FOMC coming out. Let's pop over to Euro GBP, one of our favorite currency pairs to trade. So this chart is really in consolidation, even on the small time frames. When you pop out to the daily chart, you can see, it's been a little bit more active. But again, remember, this currency pair doesn't travel as much and as far as some of the other currency pairs that we trade. But we are in an uptrend on all the bigger time frames. So we'll only be looking for long opportunities here. And right now with this consolidation, we don't have anything to really look for. You probably want to, if price, breaks the structure zone and then pulls back in, we could be looking to get in at that point. But right now, doesn't look like anything on the horizon. Let's pop over and take a look at USD JPY. I'm sorry, USD Canadian dollar. So USD Canadian dollar, this is another currency pair that will be affected by those news events, the FOMC and the unemployment claims. So keep a lookout for those. Got some consolidation here as well. We go out to our bigger time frames to confirm we are in an uptrend, a pretty good ascending uptrend. So we'll only be looking for long opportunities here. Based on that strong trend, price is just pushing up. So we'll only be looking for long opportunities there. Don't really see anything right now that we can be looking at because, as price is kind of making, a descending flag pattern. So we'll be looking for maybe a break here, but nothing at the moment to be looking out for. Let's pop over to GBP USD. All right, so we've got a pair that looks to be in a downtrend. Let's take a look at our higher time frame to confirm that. Downtrend in the higher time frame as well. If you want to start the trend line from way up here, prices, firmly in a downtrend, making lower highs, lower lows. So we pop back over to our 30-minute chart, see if we have anything to be looking for. And similar to the USD, to the Euro USD chart, I can see here we got a Fibonacci retracement. And then once you get good at these charts, you kind of know, where your Fibonacci retracements are without even drawing it. I still draw them just for confirmation, but I knew that was around a 38.2 or 50% retracement. So, looking for a strong bearish candle here, and I'll be looking to take it back down to the 0% on the Fibonacci. Probably set stops around the 61.8, so it'll be better than a 1-to-1 risk reward. So that's something to look for on the GBP USD. If for some reason price just continues to drag out and doesn't get there, you may want to get out before Wednesday just in case FOMC or unemployment claims makes the market go crazy. So I just wanted to give you guys an insight on some possible trade setups that I'll be looking for this week. If you guys have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. If you guys want to connect with me, at Sterling the Investor on Instagram, at Steve the Investor on Twitter. So just connect with me at any time, and I'll look forward to speaking with you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.